Here we go. And come on, guys. There we are. Hey, 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 I can't carry that many, guys. Easy. You're getting heavy, dude. And get off my toes. Quit tripping on me. Hi, how you doing?
How you
Smile
doing?
for the camera. 4 is too much. Calm down, kids. Okay. Yeah, they ain't changed. 3. Oh, yeah, he's got the right side of my palm. Okay, yeah, there we go. We got 3 stable. Haha. And okay. Wish I had a longer arm. I could get more on there. God, they're walking all over my tootsies. God, they tickle. The feathers. The feathers. Not 4. God. 2's good. Stare at the camera. Smile. You want to come back, do you? You're just sitting there. You're not getting any food. You just want to be on my arm. There you go. You're patient. If you can get more. Oh my. Leave the toes alone. Oh yes. There you go. Pick away at the millet. You're heavy, you know that? You've been eating a lot. Oh. I see what you're doing. You're knocking it off my hand onto my toes so the other guys get to peck at my toes. You sneaky little bugger.
Get him.
He's just backing away, munching along. Bumping away. You're patient. I like that. See ya. Anybody else want some? I still got some millet left here. I had 4 on there at one point. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. There we go. Pretty white wings on you.
You filming it?
Yep. Got the kid walking around amongst them. Oh, no argument there. Doggy. There you go. 2, 3. There you go. You got 3. I got 3. Oh, didn't want to perch on top of another one.
Is supposed to be.
Yeah. The thing is, they keep moving around. Oh my. Oh, they're all over my toes. They're all over. Leave the toes, please. Leave the toes. Oh, there you go.
You getting me too? Hi.
Oh, God, yeah.
You're so soft. Look.
How can they be light and heavy at the same time? Oh, there's the white wing one.
I'm gonna have to let you go in a second. What the? Look. Birds weren't made.
Get off the camera!
Birds weren't made to piggyback. It's just how it is.
Oh my. And, no, can't make up his mind.
Maybe.
They're pretty good at hovering. I'm impressed with that. Oh, not enough room.
I know, it's like, I can handle it if you would stop sitting on each other.
Yeah.
Right in the face.
Spatter against the wings. They're trying to catch it in midair. There you go. Hey, no fighting. I'll shake you both off. There you go. Right, that's it.
Are you getting a picture of me? I can do it again. You can get me.
I got some of you for a while. Get up. Just walk all over my toes. Don't mind me. Ow. Ow. Oh, damn it, there's a sunflower seed. No fighting. They get greedy. Here. See, I don't even have any food in your landing. There we are.
Hi, how's it going?
I'm just waiting my turn.
Not the toes, not the toes.
I gotta hold on. You get slippery arms.
No, my toes, my toes.
Oh,
I can
God.
give two craps about their toes.
Don't land on the camera. Piggyback.
What the fuck? What is up with you people?
There's enough for everybody.
You getting this? Did you get that?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Okay, I need more food. Ready?
And again, I'm shudder to think what would happen if we put some on, give you the camera and put some on the crown of my hat.
I'm gonna need, I need both of them.
Yeah. Hello, duck. Hi. That's it, just peck at it. I ain't got
You
nothing.
can dump some in my hands?
Yep. If I can keep...
No, no, apparently not.
I mean, they keep landing on the camera. But yeah, I can... Well, okay. Well, we really, that didn't go quite as planned. It's a bridge. Oy. Now we're stuck.
Now what? You're not helping.
Guys, seriously.
You get off everybody.
You don't even want any food. You're just landing on birds to be a troublemaker, you griefer.
Roller? I want to brush that one's feathers.
Oh, God, they're crawling all over my... Don't land on the camera.
Hi. Okay.
Hey, what you doing? What you doing? You landed on my shoulder.
Hi.
I ain't got no food. She's the one with the food. I got the camera. Sit still long enough, they will perch on you.
No, I need more food.
Just move your arm.
Hey! I got bird shit all over me.
Wow.
Those ducks are just there like, they can be done soon.
Hey. How long has this been going on? 8 minutes now?
I hope you got the one on my head.
I hope so. I can't tell.
Hi.
Don't even think about it, Seagull. You're too big.
You know, 3's about the limit.
Yeah. 2 is comfy. 3 is pushing it. If you guys can balance on each other, that's great, but want me to take the bucket? They can perch on that for all I care. You can stick your... Quit fighting. Wish I had a head mount to this. You need more food? Yep. I am not a perch.
Scrabblers. Scrabblers. Everybody's going. Everybody's
Quit
going.
fighting. Just shake your arm a little. That should
Oh,
stop
God.
tickling right in the inside of your...
You're landing on me to land. I have no food.
Had food, but you knocked it all off, boys.
See if they'll go for the other one.
Probably. Sure enough.
May as well just go whole hog. A whole pigeon in this case.
I'll take this guy out of your way. They're looking. They can't find nothing. We don't have enough hands.
Hey, that's my finger, dude.
Leave the wedding ring.
Ready? That's my finger. Ready? Hi.
Hey.
Can I pet you?
Guys, I only got so much room on my arm.
Nope, that's a finger.
Now they're perching on my sleeve.
Okay, you ready?
Go on out.
There you go.
Not on the shoulder.
Sorry for the bad camera stuff. And my hand. There we go. My husband's hand.
And on my shoulder too. I'm waiting for somebody to land on my hat. Hey. No fighting, Jimmy. Get both of you. You land on my shoulder if you want. I'll change my shirt later. There we go. What? Aren't my shoulders big enough? There we go. He just likes it here.
Better grip.
Yeah, the fabric. I am a statue. Therefore, without movement.
There's now a pigeon on the camera. Hi.
Stop pushing the buttons. Come on, over here.
That was it. That's the one. Anyway.
Yeah, he's got the
Look at this.
scratches.
Well, that was a mistake. Can you see the scratches and the bird poop on my arm? There's bird poo right there. And look at all those scratches. Yes, I will wash when I get home. Anyway. You good?
Have they finally eased up around my feet? No, they gotta climb all over them again. There we go. Thank you.
More than pigeons, there's
I
ducks.
like this guy.
Hi.
What you say?
Come on. Extreme close up. No. Anyway, I'll hand
Yeah,
this
you can't change the focus
back
while
over
it's
to my
running.
husband. So you can shut it down.
Well, there we go. 12 minutes of fun. And
Okay.
get off my pants, pickpocket.
Okay, ready?
I'm checking for the keys. Okay. Is it safe? Apparently not. There's your fun. Hope you enjoyed that, Internet.